Welcome back to Autocar 024! The 2025 Renault Captur, a compact SUV that stands out in the crowded market with its bold design and efficient performance. Renault has certainly refined the Captur for this year, making it a great option for anyone looking for a stylish, functional, and affordable vehicle. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Renault Captur offers a modern and dynamic look. The front is defined by a bold, angular grille and sleek, narrow headlights that give it a sharp, almost futuristic appearance. The high shoulder lines and sloping roofline contribute to its sporty stance, while the compact proportions make it an ideal city car, easily maneuverable through tight spaces. The color options this year are vibrant and eye-catching, with an option for a contrasting roof, enhancing the car's youthful and energetic appeal. Overall, the exterior design balances practicality with a touch of flair, making it stand out in the compact SUV segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Captur delivers an impressive performance for its size. It comes with a range of engine options, including both petrol and hybrid variants, catering to various driving preferences and efficiency needs. The petrol engine offers solid power and decent acceleration, making it well suited for both city driving and longer trips on the highway. The hybrid version provides a more eco-friendly option, delivering excellent fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The driving experience is further enhanced by the precise steering and responsive handling, giving the Captur a comfortable and stable feel on the road, whether you're navigating urban streets or cruising on the open highway. Inside, the 2025 Captur impresses with its modern and spacious cabin. The interior is well crafted, featuring a combination of soft-touch materials and sleek finishes that add to the overall premium feel. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system, offering easy access to navigation, media, and smartphone connectivity. The seats are supportive and comfortable, perfect for long drives or daily commutes. There's also ample space in both the front and rear, ensuring that passengers have enough legroom and headroom. The boot is also quite spacious for its class, making it a practical choice for carrying luggage or groceries. As for pricing, the 2025 Renault Captur starts at around $25,000, making it an affordable option for those looking for a well-rounded and stylish compact SUV. Higher trims, with more features and upgrades, can go up to $30,000. Whether you're after a fuel-efficient urban car or a versatile family vehicle, the Captur offers great value for money. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more new latest cars model. Thank you.